Good morning and good evening, everyone. My name is Lavjeet Singh. I'm the regional manager for SU College Canada. SU is a public institution, is a government college in Ontario. And being as a public institution, we have our three campuses in Ontario. SU St. Mary is our main campus. Along with SU St. Mary, we have our Toronto, Brampton campuses as well. If I talk about being as a public institution, we established in 1965 and we are recruiting students from India and global. Being as a public institution, first of all, I would like to thank Pioneer Immigration Team, Mr. Ravi Garg and Mr. Pankaj, to plan our today's session because this session is very much important for those students who are planning for their travel for May intake, who are planning to start their studies for September 21 intake, or even though if they're interested for winter, it means January 2022 intake. Yes, we have three intakes. We have January, we have fall, which is May. We have January intake, we have our spring intake, that is May intake, then we have fall, that means we have our intake for September. Right now, we are recruiting students for September intake as well as for January 2022 intake. SU College is having one of the famous institution in India in terms of recruitment part. And if I talk about the applications, we are accepting students for undergrad as well as for our postgraduate applications. So the student who are with humanities, either you are from grade 12 or you are the diploma holders or you are the graduate student or even the student who has done masters, even then you can apply for. For SU, being as a public institution, it is the main campus is in SU St. Mary, which is around 7-hour drive from Toronto. But we have our campuses in Toronto as well as in Brampton. In Toronto, we are offering our postgraduate program and undergrad program. I will give you some brief about the program requirements and the overall detail. Likewise, we are accepting applications overall 50% in the academics. So we just need overall 50% in academics, and that's our overall requirement. And secondly, if I talk about our IELTS requirement, yes, we do accept IELTS with 6 overall 5.5 in one module acceptable. 6 overall 5.5 in one module acceptable, it means the student, even though you are graduate or you are undergrad, you can apply with 6 overall 5.5 in one module. And parallelly, we do accept PTE, TOEFL, we do accept Duolingo, we do accept but we don't accept general IELTS. But make sure the student whosoever is applying, even though you are preparing for your academic result, yes, you can apply for your with 6 overall 5.5 each, you can apply. Meanwhile, if I talk about the programs, what we feel like in India, what we had experienced, the students we are getting from all the sectors. Like the student, even though you are with humanities, you are with commerce background, you are with medical, which we call it with the biology, PCB, or you are with PCM, physics, chemistry, maths, even then you are acceptable, you can apply, but the requirement with 50% overall. In terms of gap, there are some students who are having genuine justification, but they don't get so many options in public institution in Ontario. In SU College, we do accept application with maximum up to 9 years gap justification. Gap justification, it means you should not add any kind of fake information or wrong information. Whatsoever genuine information you have with you, you can apply it accordingly. And meanwhile, if I talk about the backlogs, we do understand right now we are in global pandemic. So we don't ask for any specific backlog certificate or backlog documentations. So you can apply your application as Pioneer Immigration is one of our direct partner. So I always prefer for one particular student, whenever you are choosing, whenever you are planning to proceed your application, you should go for one of the genuine plus one of the direct agent for college and career advisor for you guys, so that you can get direct services. As Mr. Ravi Garg and the team is directly recruiting student for SU College, and they are one of our active partner, and they are doing good for SU College and in terms of quality of applications and the quality of the student uh, along with the college, the student are very satisfied in the terms of their services. If I will explain brief about the programs, so in SU College we have some specialized program. Likewise in Toronto campus we have two programs which are very much in demanding, and mostly they get closed very easily. The first program, the name of the program is Cyber Security Canadian Context. So you must be aware with this name, Cyber Security Canadian Context, that means the program has been specially designed and you won't find this program in anywhere else in Canada. This is specially for computers, IT graduate students. Even ECE graduate student can also apply. The best part in SU College, even if you have done grade 12 plus 3-year diploma, so you can apply for our postgraduate programs. So there are so many students who are grade 12 plus they have done their 3-year diploma in from one of the reputed public institution, but unfortunately they don't get so many options. In SU College they can apply for the postgraduate program. And there is another program which we are offering in Toronto campus, that is Healthcare Leadership Canadian Context. This is a program which get filled very fast. Like we open our January intake right now, and most of the application whatsoever we are getting, that is for our health or medical program, because worldwide the people are aware these are those programs which are specially into the demand, and they are very much like job oriented career focused program. Because in these two programs, the Canadian context programs, the best part is the student will study for 1 to 3 semester they will study, and the fourth semester is their field placement. It means their internship. This will not be paid internship, but this will be field placement. I believe Mr. Garg has already explained couple of time in this session give how important it is in Canada to get a field placement during your study. It is not a co-op program, it is a placement based program. So but the best part, it is a 2 years PG program. The third PG which we are offering, which is a 2 years PG program, that is Global Business Management. Any graduate, arts, commerce, medical, non-medical, the graduate student, they can apply. Even technical, BTech, BE, even master student can apply. But MBA or MCOM student cannot apply for GBM. I can see some queries in the chat box. Some of the students, they are looking for the commerce graduates. We have one program with the name of Supply Chain Management. That program is really demanding in the Canada, and they are very much job oriented and job focused program. The Supply Chain Management is for the commerce graduate, even mechanical graduate can apply. The best part, even MCOM and MBA student can apply for Supply Chain Management. And parallelly, if I talk about, we have another program with the name of Project Management. That is again very much demanding, because most of the students, they are interested for this program. Plus, if I talk about our undergrad program in Toronto campus, in Toronto we are offering undergrad program with the name of Business Diploma, Computer Programming. Business is for commerce grade 12 student. Computer Programming is for PCM student or grade student who has mathematics in their grade 12. And if I talk about the another program is Early Child Education. That is again very demanding and job focused program, because early child care and personal development support service, these two programs are with practicum up to approximately 500 hours plus practicum they will get during this program, and they are very job oriented and focused, career focused program. Secondly, if I talk about in Brampton, we are offering 3 PG programs. The 3 postgraduate program, again those PG programs are Global Business Management, Project Management, and Supply Chain Management. So these are the couple of programs which we are offering in our Toronto and Brampton, and you guys can see these programs are those programs which are demand based program, and the student with humanities, commerce, engineering, or from the biology background, they can apply. Even though you are graduate, you can proceed for the specific programs. Now, if I talk about our main campus, see, main campus is always in the demand. The reason why Sault Ste. Marie itself is having the clientage, we are, as per the KPI ranking, Sault College is one of the top institution. We are the highest in international student satisfaction. So if I talk about international student satisfaction, it comes with the various different aspects. So likewise, the student whosoever is studying, during their study, during their experience in the local community, during their study and after their study, their experience in the community with the job market, and after completion of the study, they are getting the job in the relevant field. So there are so many aspects are coming as per the international student satisfaction. And meanwhile, if I talk about in our main campus, we have some program which you might not get in any other institution with the same requirement in Ontario. We have one program with the name of Occupation Therapist Assistant and Physiotherapist Assistant. So OTA, PTA, I believe this is one of the favorite program of Mr. Garg, because he always recruit student for these two program, OTA, PTA, and the second program is Fitness and Health Promotion. So these are very demanding for biology, grade 12 biology. Even some physiotherapy graduates can also apply for these two programs. Plus we have personal and development support service. We have practical nursing, but for practical nursing, September seats are closed. I'm not really sure how many seats are available right now, but whosoever is interested to apply for their application, whosoever is interested to proceed their application, to please connect with the Pioneer team, so they can guide you, because being as in one of the direct agent, they can help you and assist you for your application and the seats availability as well. And if I talk about we have some engineering program for civil engineering, we have electrical, electronics, we have multi-part technician, mechanical engineering. So there are some program in engineering sector. We have business general. Meanwhile, we have early child education, social service worker in our September intake, but personal and development support service is another program. There is a one program in which students mostly show their interest, that is protection, security and investigation. See, protection, security, investigation is very much demanding, because from last almost half decade, 5-6 years, the student, they start creating their interest because they are getting some opportunities in their relevant field after completion of their study. Even the student with humanities, with biology, with engineering, or even the commerce student, they are applying and they are getting the good response for this program. If I talk about our another program, that is natural source department, natural environmental department. So in the environmental, we have 4 undergrad diploma programs, undergrad diploma, but these are very specialized programs. In natural and environmental, we have fish and wildlife conservation, natural environmental technician. We have a natural environment technician, conservation, and then there is one postgraduate program, natural resources, environmental law inspection and enforcement. That's a postgraduate. There's so many students they are coming with. In India, we call it as an BSc medical, but that is with botany, zoology, chemistry. For those students whosoever is interested, they can apply for this PG program. This is very much into the demanding. And if I talk about more PG program, the students are, if they're coming with BA background or MA background, they don't get so many programs. But in Sault College, you can apply for a couple of programs. We have one postgraduate program, PR and event management. So public relation and event management is specially designed for the BA or MA student, and very good visa success rate. The students are very happy and satisfied with those options. And if I talk about, they can apply for GBM, they can apply for project management, they can apply for some other program as well in our main campus. And in main campus, we have one program with the robotics and advanced automation. Robotics and advanced automation is specially program because on campus you will learn the skills on robots, and that is really good, helpful program. See, being as a college representative, I will not be able to speak so much on the PR part, but yes, Sault Ste. Mary, it comes under RNIP program. We are the first community which started this program, and we are the first community which got approval under RNIP. So, but I believe undoubtedly health science and the medical student are always into the demand. But meanwhile, if I talk about, we have some program likewise mobile application design, health informatics, healthcare administration. These are PG program which are really into demand. If I talk about some undergrad program for digital media, graphic design, we don't need any portfolio, no previous background or education requirement. As per the interest, student can apply. So all together, if I talk in main campus, we have more than 50 plus programs. In Toronto, we have postgraduate and undergrad program. In Brampton, we are having PG program. All the students, whosoever is interested, even though you have done your grade 12 or graduation, or you are diploma holder student, you can apply for Sault College. And the visa success rate, undoubtedly being as a public institution, is really good. Meanwhile, if I talk about the requirement, as I've already explained, we are accepting IELTS, TOEFL, PTE, Duolingo. You can apply your application. I can see some of the students, they're asking the question regarding PTE. Yes, we just need overall 60 in PTE, even though you are grade 12 or graduate. If you have 62, so yes, definitely you can get acceptance from Sault College side, but make sure you don't delay, because most of the programs are getting closed for September intake. We are already open for winter 2022. That means we are open for January intake as well. And hopefully whosoever is getting acceptance, they are eligible to travel, and they need to be quarantined as per the college is under the COVID readiness plan, approved readiness plan. We are trying to help our students, because every week I'm conducting the quarantine session with my international team, and that is really helping our students so that they can have the better opportunity and better idea in terms of their pre-plans before their travel to Canada. Along with that, we are conducting orientation session for our students. Yes, that is really helpful for our student, because even if I talk about today, we have our orientation for Toronto, Brampton. Tomorrow we have our session, I believe, for our main campus. We are conducting it separately for our own student. And if I talk about the brief general detail, I have already explained about Sault College. Now I will just go through some questions of the student in the chat box, and I will try to answer most of them. Even though if I'm not able to touch all the areas of your question answer round, you can be in touch with Pioneer team, and they can guide you and they can assist you, because most of the team members, they are always in touch with me directly, and I'm trying to help all the students for the same. So well, for the PT, yes, we are accepting PT. As I've already explained, we need overall 60. We don't look individual scores of PT. For IELTS, we need 6 overall, 5.5 in one module acceptable. We don't accept two module 5.5. The student, see, the success rate is always depend upon your academic record. Undoubtedly, IELTS is the one area which visa officer look after. But meanwhile, I believe we have very good visa success rate with 6 overall, 5.5 in one or two, one module. And if I talk about this one student, okay, so there are some programs which are like career focused program. There are some, especially the health science program, in which the student will learn the practical elements. So for that, the college and plus job in Canada sector, they just need an additional support in terms of some test or some vaccinations from your home country. so that or some documentation. So Navdeep, if you are for healthcare and leadership Canadian context, that is a very unique and specialized program. As I've already explained, this program is for 4 semester. It means it's a 2 years program. For 3 semester you will study, and 4 semester is an internship program. The requirement of that test is because of your that job expect of that practicum expect during your program. So that is a requirement, and we have already shared the list with Pioneer team, and you might have received the list. What are the additional documentation or additional requirement for the student side? You please contact with your team. I hope they will guide you and assist you regarding that. Even though if you need anything specific from my side, you can write down to me, or you can be in touch with the team. They can make a call with me directly. I'm always available for you guys. So let me just go through the questions if I am able to find. There is one student is looking for MCOM student. Yes, definitely. As I've already explained, MCOM student cannot apply for GBM, but you can apply for supply chain management, or you can apply for project management program, which are postgraduate program. See, Satvinder, we used to accept 5.5 in 2 module, but right now we don't, because we don't feel like 5.5 students are able to match. It's not only about the visa part, it's always the matching the academic requirement of the country. And during your study, we don't want any student will suffer. So that we are trying for our maintain some quality in terms of the IELTS part. See, there is one important part. Sault College doesn't provide deferments. It is very important to understand. Deferment, it means that you are non-serious, because right now the government of Canada is trying to make sure like the student whosoever is applying, they are very much clear about the requirements. They are very much clear about the process. If you are selecting one particular intake, you should go for that intake specifically. So my suggestion for you, for example, if the student apply for my intake, you should continue your study for my intake only. In any case, for example, in case of unfortunately, for example, student got refusal, in that case student can apply for the request for the deferment, but otherwise we don't entertain the deferment requests. So application fees is 100 Canadian dollar. You can pay directly via credit card, and the best part is right now our offer letter processing time is within 7 to 10 working days. Maximum you can consider it as in 2 weeks, but we are trying our level best, because even in Canada the people are working from home like we people are doing it from India itself. So we are trying our level best to provide the best services to our student, not only just for their academic or admission part, even though we are trying to help our student for our for educational part as well. So the student Neha, you have mentioned like you have done BSc and B.Ed. You are looking for 2 years program. You have experience. You have 2 years experience, and see for B.Ed specifically, early child education is a 2 years diploma program in which you can apply. But if you are comfortable to apply for global business management, that's a postgraduate 2 years program, that is with the link of business, and you will learn various different skills. You can apply for that. And overall, this is the information which I really feel like most of the students need to understand in this such short period. Again, I just want to thank Pioneer Immigration team and Mr. Ravi Garg and Mr. Pankaj to plan this session, and I'm just going to wind up, because I feel now if any student is having any question or query, either you can write down in the comment box, their team will reply back to you, or otherwise you can be in touch with them over their contact details. You can but make sure you just be safe during this pandemic, because I don't want any of the student will face any kind of problem in terms of health and any any problem. So hopefully you all guys will be safe, and you guys are safe at your home, and you will process your application for Sault College, or as per your interest you can get your acceptance, pay your fees, get registered for next available intake, and hopefully you will get your visa and you are able to travel to Canada. So wish you all the best, and I'm sorry, like I'm not able to give you more time because we have already selected the limited time period for you guys, and I look forward to meeting you soon. Hopefully this pandemic will be over soon, and we will meet personally one by one. Thank you all.